got this yam. I bought this yam for please, I'm coming. Let me. I bought the yam. I bought some yam. It was 11,000. I bought it for 11,000 naira. And I got some plantain. I don't even know why plantain is becoming so expensive. Like, Jesus. I bought this for, how much did I buy? It was 6,000. You see, as you can see, they divided it. If you want the full one, you pay. They said 15, even 15,000. I had to negotiate the price before they said this for me for 6,000 naira. Plantain is becoming more and more expensive. I got green beans, some green beans, because I'm planning on preparing fried rice, so I will be using it. This one. I bought some pear. It's not ripe yet. I have to keep it to ripe. And I got some water. I got some corn. 1,000. How many pieces? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces for 1,000. Here. Some okra. I got this for 1,000. 1,000 naira. And I got this one, yellow pepper, red pepper, and the green one. I got it for 4,000. 4,000 naira. Lord have mercy. So expensive. Oh. We don't know where would they go for Nigeria. For Nigeria. What's this? Potato. I bought some Irish potato. I don't want to open it because there's sand in it. So I'm just going to open it there. What else is it? And pear. I bought pear. Pear. This kind of pear. I wanted to buy more, but this one is the one I saw. Some pear. So that is everything I bought. That is it, guys. That is it. Just put the orange here. This pear, I have to wash it. I'll wash it before cooking it. Where's that avocado? I will just put this one here first. I think it's better for me to wrap it so that it will get soft on time. So I'm going to peel this corn. I'll just keep it one side first. So guys, please do well to hit the like button to like the video. Thank you. So these are everything I got from the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.